So we're going to do mystery stamping today, and I am so glad that you are here with me to participate in this fun event. If you've done mystery stamping before, you might find that mine is a little bit different. I'm going to be using PowerPoint presentation to show you the different clues. If you have not done, if you have not done, oh, you can hear me. Thank you, Jill. Perfect. Awesome. I was hoping it was going through my Zoom, but I wasn't sure. Awesome. Thank you for letting me know that. And welcome. I'm glad you're here with me, Jill. And so if you have not done mystery stamping before, what I did is yesterday I provided some different measurements and supplies to prepare in advance so that you could craft along with me as I present the clues. And then at the end, I will show you my project. And if you craft along with me, either now or you watch the replay and make your project later, I would love to see a picture of your project. It is so cool to see how the same basic layout can have so many different designs and look completely different. So please, if you do make a project using today's clues, please share that in the post below so that we can all see how cool they look. All right, are you ready to get started? I'm going to share my screen with you and we'll make a really fun card today. All right, so as I said, we are doing some mystery stamping. So my mystery stamping is a little bit different in the fact that I time it. So if you have everything prepared in advance, then you should be able to easily complete the steps as I go along. So our first clue, if you notice in the bottom corner, it gives you 30 seconds to complete this step. So you're going to take your 4 1/4 by 11-inch piece of white or very vanilla cardstock. You're going to fold it in half, score it and fold it in half at 5.5 inches to make your card base. So I'm going to start the timer and you will have 30 seconds to complete this task. Hi, Denise. Thanks for joining me, friend. Doing another mystery stamping. This one is a little bit different. It's not the same one I did the other day. Okay, guys, you have about 10 more seconds. And then we're going to move on to the second clue. Okay, y'all ready? If you find that I am going a little bit fast, just comment in the, just leave me a message in the comments and I'll kind of slow it down at the beginning of each clue. Okay, the second clue is you're going to take your 4 1/4 by 4-inch by 5 1/4 piece of coordinating designer series paper and just glue it to the front of your card base. And this one, you will have 30 seconds to complete that task. Oh, yes. Hi, Denise. Yes, it is neat. I love doing these mystery stamping because it's just so cool how everybody's project looks so different with the same layout and the same clues. All right, you got about 5 seconds. Okay, we're going to move on to the next step. Clue number 3. You're going to take your it doesn't have to be exact, but 3 by 4-inch white or very vanilla rectangle, and you're going to position it vertically. And in the upper right corner, stamp a sentiment. And you have almost the whole top half to work with, so have fun with it. And you have 45 seconds to do that. Hi, Courtney. Thanks for joining me. Is this your first time joining us for my Facebook Live? If so, let us know where you're from. I always am interested where people are joining us from. Okay, we have about 20 more seconds to complete this step. And any sentiment works at all. Whatever works, whatever sentiment you want for your card will work just fine. Okay, just a few more seconds. Oh, North Carolina, welcome. All right, okay, so we're going to move to clue number 4. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to either die cut, punch out a circle that's about 2 inches in diameter, and you're going to adhere that into the lower left corner of your triangle. So you have 30 seconds to complete this step. I kind of gave you a little bit of an idea to show in the rectangle where to position it. But if you want to put it somewhere else, that's totally fine too. And if you notice, I am giving you clues, kind of sprinkling of clues of what my card has on it on these steps. All right, just a couple more clues. All right, clue number 5. I want you to take a focal point that you've either punched out, whether you stamped it, punched it, die cut it, and I want you to place it on that circle with Stampin' Dimensionals. And you'll have 45 seconds to complete this step. Because I know with my Stampin' Dimensionals, sometimes that little backing does not want to come off right away. So I need a few extra seconds sometimes to do that. Okay, guys, we are almost done with our card. All right, about 10 more seconds. All right. Okay, let's go to the last step. Okay, the last step, you're going to adhere your completed rectangle to the center of your card with Stampin' Dimensionals. We want to give it a little bit of lift and dimension to your card. So I'm going to give you again a little bit more time to get those Stampin' Dimensionals on. If you've done mystery stamping before, let me know in the comments. I'm curious who's already done this before or something like this. I always find them interesting, although different designs out of the same clues. Okay, guys, we're almost done with our last step. Okay, are you ready to see my card? Have you completed your card? If you need a few seconds, let me know. I'll hang tight for just probably a few more seconds. See if anybody's wrapping up. Okay, here is my card. Now this actually is a sneak peek with the Dandy Garden Suite that's coming out in the new January through June 2021 catalog. And I love this color combination with the Bumblebee and the Misty Moonlight. So the card that I showed you today is actually one of the cards from my stamp club for January. And if you are interested in doing that stamp club, you can get that project kit for $20, or you can get it free with a $25 order in my online store. Now, I know that you will need to have the Dragonfly bundle in order to be able to do the cards. So if you want to wait till January 5th to order that bundle so you can get your project kit free, you can certainly do that. I do ask though that you go on ahead and register, indicate that you're wanting to do that with a qualifying order. And there is a $5 charge to cover the postage though for your kit either way. So I will post that link in the comments below. So if you want to register for that, you can. Also, too, my ribbon and paper share has reservations have opened up. So if you want to try a sampling of the new ribbons and papers that are in the mini catalog, I have that open till December 31st. And I also do, each month, I do a Stampin' Bunko where we make 2 projects and we play 12 rounds of Bunko for Stampin' Up! Product prizes. So if you want to check that out, I have the link there as well. And so guys, the best way to stay connected with me is through my email newsletter. I would love for you to join that newsletter, and you can get first access to my events. And also too, like tonight, I will be sharing this mystery stamping with the people on my email newsletter who were not able to join us today. So guys, I am so happy that you joined me today. I'm going to go ahead and take my screen. Going ahead and stop the share here so I can say goodbye to you. Thanks so much for joining me. If you like this video and you want to share this mystery stamping with somebody, please, I would love it if you share this video, and let me know if you share. Just comment shared in the post below. And guys, if you did do this project, please post your picture as well. I want to see all your beautiful designs. So guys, I am going to take a break for the holidays, so I won't be back next week. I am hoping to get a pre-recorded video to you the following week, New Year's week, but If not, I will definitely see you the first Thursday in January. And I hope that you'll have a beautiful Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Bye, guys. See you later.